How to cancel TikTok Shop subscriptions. To cancel a TikTok Shop subscriptions or product subscription, you generally need to navigate to your profile shop settings. So open your TikTok app onto your device, tap the profile at the very bottom, then tap onto the menu from the top right corner of the screen. Go to settings and privacy and look for orders or TikTok Shop sections. There, navigate to Subscriptions tab or button. Then you have to select the specific product subscription you wish to cancel or stop. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on Cancel Subscriptions and follow the prompt to confirm it so. And that is how you'll be able to successfully cancel TikTok Shop subscriptions. You want to cancel live subscriptions, then what you need is just go to your TikTok app once again, locate profile, go to settings and privacy, and this is where you could find live subscription. Find the creator and select cancel subscriptions or unsubscribe. That's how you'll be able to successfully cancel TikTok Shop subscriptions. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.